Here's the app called SnailSleep Tracker and Sound. Track sleep, snore, and sleep talk. Gain more insights into your sleep. Keep track of your sleep. Record your snoring and sleep talk. Detailed analysis of sleep quality. Turn sleep insights into new energy. Relax and fall in love with sleep. Want to know your sleep status and snoring every night? SnailSleep is an excellent sleep status monitor which has been used by more than 80 million users worldwide. Product includes monitoring and scoring of sleep cycle status, analysis of snoring throughout the night, including snoring type, snoring frequency, and preliminary screening of apnea analysis of situation. And it can record your dream talk so that you can better understand yourself at night, provides you with comprehensive sleep insights. So sleep analysis, sleep trend reports, snoring monitoring, sleep cycle alarms, meditation, dream talk recording, and then you just have it like that. And you can just open it up. And then you see this onboarding. And then you can just continue. So yeah, that's basically, you can just see the details. And then you can try it for $0 if you upgrade to yearly or weekly. You can also, so that's basically the idea. And then you can set up your sleep just like that. You can also have some nature sounds to go to sleep. Then you can see your analytics. This is demo data, and then you can see your account just like that. So kind of the app in here, and then yeah, that's how you can use it and track it. So yeah, that's kind of the idea of the app, and yeah, so that's how you can use it and try it out. So that's basically what it is.